guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing Crompton high flow wave 400 pedestal fan. So cost at 2350, original price 2870 or 50, whatever, I don't know. It's 2800. The features is corrosion resistant powder coated guards, high aerodynamic blades and good bass, strong 400 pedestal fan high flow wave. So in the high flow series we have 5-6 models like high flow EVA table fan, high flow normal and high flow wave, and the wall and the high heavy duty respectively. Now let's unbox the fan. Cut open the seal. Crompton Greaves high speed 1990s in the background, the wind noise. So now we'll remove the first is the holding pipe which tightens to the base and to the fan motor, the body, the fan base. Plastic covering down is rocky material. It's soft rocky material. It's heavy, like 1-2 kilos easily. It's light enough the fan. So this is the fan guards, protection guards. Packing is really good. The fan blade, clear plastic polyurethane finish. Warranty card, very important. It has all the instructions and everything. Now the main, the cover for the base acts like a canopy. The main heart of the fan, the motor assembly. A little bit tedious to remove from the box, not too hard. Box move away. That's the motor. This is high flow wave series. High flow EVA and high flow normal base series will have a different switch design. Now we will start to assemble the fan. Let's remove the cover and we'll see pure nice white plastic finish, brand new. That is the oscillation knob thing on the rotor. So that's where the rod tightens to when the pedestal. Now let's remove the stand and start working. So down you can see it is nuts, like nuts type design. We'll take out the pedestal stand. We'll unscrew the screws first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's remove all the screws. Remove the screws carefully. It is very easy to do. Just make sure the other side, the nuts, they don't fall off. That will happen sometimes. As you see, tighten the pedestal completely. There should be nothing wrong. Now let's fit the canopy thing, screw cover, whatever, and let's tighten the upside, the stick holding cover, I mean the rod holding thing. Oh no, not yet. First let's get, remove that metal stick. Shake it hard. That's the maximum length. Imagine if it came out. The canopy comes out if you turn the fan upside down. Now put this tightening thing. Tighten it, just hand tighten, no over tightening, it will destroy. Now we'll put the main motor. Really easy. Backside of it there's a screw. Untighted by hand, nothing else required. It's not hard. Now we'll lower the fan now. Let me just plug in the cord and we'll see the test whether the motor works or not. Of course there's no way it's not gonna work. You'll see the cap spin. You can see it's working fine. Let's unplug it because we're going to be doing the bigger job. height adjustment tightened. Let's remove that cap. Wrong direction. Unscrewing is not that hard. It just happened. It fell down. Let's get it up. We'll remove the other screw, the big screw. Let's remove the grill. There is a matching point so that you don't mess the grill up. There is a holding like a thing. You can see that you can lift the fan with that. Yeah, this screw will tighten it. Hand tighten as tight as you can. If it gets loose, the grill will wobble around and hit the blade, and blade will break and airflow is gone. That's common scenario. Now let's assemble the blade. Put it. It's by mistake I lost the footage of fitting the blade. It's really easy. Just slide it in. There are 2 pins on the shaft. Match it. Tighten this as tight as you can. Clear blades with the smoky tint kind of a thing. Let's put the front cover. This is the tedious part. I had such fans of Almonad and Usha long ago. I used to service them. It wasn't in my home, it was at my other place, uncle. I used to service it, and the ring isn't the easiest thing to put on, for sure. Just you should be careful. Let's put the front cover. Too tedious of a job. Completed after 4 failed attempts. So you can see the tediousness. So now we'll put the oscillation knob comes separately. If you don't put that, then you cannot oscillate and deoscillate the fan. The note is given. It's a self-tapping screw. It tightens into the plastic. Once you screw it, if you unscrew it, it won't screw back until you use a bigger screw, because plastic it will happen. So you can see, press it in so it holds itself. Most probably use a magnetic screwdriver. This is not magnetic, this just has a good grip, so it's able to hold it. Tighten it just very little, don't tighten it too much, it could break the thing. You can see now it works properly. Some people, they remove that in the industrial places, in the industrial fans I've seen. So now it's time to switch on the fan, but let's go walk around. Full plastic built. You see the fan's label, high flow wave, Crompton gives consumer electricals. It is almost 50-60 watts, around that. Speed 1. Airflow is really good. I'm quite near to the fan, so it looks good. Even at a distance is good. Speed 2, speed 3. These fans are given with a low value capacitor, so in the future when they fail, you will have to increase to the, if you can't find the low value capacitor in your nearest shop, you have to go for a 2 microfarad or a 2.25. 2.5 will burn the motor, I guess so. Let's switch it off. Press the oscillation knob to stop oscillation. The working of oscillation is really nice. I like it. When the motor runs, it rotates the gears, and when you press that oscillation knob, it disconnects the oscillating gear. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon. Have fun.